Okay, good afternoon, guys. Hi. Okay, so we're on lesson 7 of our unit on light and sight, and today we're doing our second recording session for Miss Sandhya, my mentor. Today's unit is going to be all about reflections. Okay, so we're going to study about how reflections are made, where you see them, how you can use them in different interesting ways.
Now, did you change the thing we had? Science class.
Yes, I did. I'm sorry because I need a little more time,
Okay.
so I asked Miss Hema for permission. Okay. Now, can someone tell me what we did in the shadows class? Yes, Arvo?
We made shadow puppets.
Okay, very good.
And made the shadows bigger and smaller.
Bigger and smaller. Okay, Aditi?
You learn how to change the sizes.
Very good. How do you change the sizes, Shefali? Okay, let Neha answer. Yes, Neha.
When you bring the puppet near the dark light,
Near the light.
then you give it big.
Very good.
Then you take it away, then you put
Very good. Anyone agrees with that? Okay, what kind of object do you need to make shadow?
opaque.
Opaque. Can everyone say it together?
Opaque.
Because you're forgetting the word. Opaque objects. What do you need to make light go through?
Opaque.
Transparent. And what makes shadow and gives light?
Translucent.
Translucent. Excellent. Okay. So today we're going to learn about something else interesting about light. We're going to deal with reflections. Okay. I'm going to ask you a couple of very simple questions. But at the end of the class today, you should be able to do all these things that are bulleted by our handmade manuals. Firstly, you can identify and explain reflections at the end of class. Secondly, you should be able to demonstrate a reflection. So you'll show me how to make a reflection. Thirdly, you will give me examples of reflections. Elva, please put that down.
Okay.
Fold it and put it down. It's not your property. Pull it, you fold
Why
it.
are you taking that?
Pull it off again.
Why do you function
Knot it.
No. Yeah.
Just loop it around the top.
Like that.
And why do you make a ball?
It's okay, I love that thing too. Keep it on the table, please. And if you want to play with it, ask for permission the next time. Thanks. Okay. Third thing, you'll be able to give examples of reflections. Fourth, you're learning to draw ray diagrams. Like we learn to draw circuits, you learn to draw ray diagrams. And the fifth thing you can do is you learn to manipulate light, how to change light using a mirror. Okay? This is what you should be able to do at the end of class. And we're going to have two activities. We'll call the first activity bounce lights, and the second activity called under the table. Okay? We'll see what they are. We'll let you do things. Okay? Now, first question: how do you see something? Elva.
With our eyes.
With our eyes. Meera.
By looking at it.
Okay. Aditi.
Vision.
Vision. Okay.
With light.
With light. Very good. So you need two things. With your nose. You see things with your nose.
What?
Okay. Yes, Ashwin. Camera. Okay. So basically, you need either an eye or a camera, and you need light. Does everyone agree? Yes, Ashwin. Aditi.
A telescope and a microscope.
Okay. So anything that looks like an eye. Okay. So camera, telescope, microscope, all kind of work like the human eye.
How does it
Or
a
a mobile. Okay, fine. And you need,
Can I say something?
yes.
What's a telescope? No, what's the other thing?
microscope?
Yeah,
A
microscope.
microscope. What do you see with your
That's
eyes?
not actually with your eyes or
Micro-organisms,
not as
very
good as
good.
your eyes. You can see less rubber with the microscope.
Yes, exactly.
But how come I can see in the dark?
You can see the dark because some people are. Okay, Elva has a good question which we will deal with, but he asks me why can some people see more in the dark? He can see very well in the dark.
I see amazing in the dark.
I know friends who go absolutely blind. They cannot see anything. They keep tripping over things. Okay? Yes,
I see
Aditi.
everything in the dark.
Even though I can't see, I can see the dark.
You can see the dark. Yes, she can see the dark. What is dark? It's the absence of
Light.
Okay.
Opposite, you said absence.
Absence. There's no light. You get dark. So you remove the light. You get dark.
The light is ill.
The light is ill.
Yeah, this is absence.
Okay.
This
Now.
blew my mind.
Yes, one second. One
You're
second.
simply the best.
Okay.
Simple.
Now, I'm going to, guys, focus.
Everybody focus.
I'm going to answer Elva's question. He asks me why can he see very well in the dark.
Everyone
Okay?
can.
Now, in your eyes, you have certain cells called rods and cones. Okay? Now, different people have different quantities. So, some people's eyes are specifically adapted to see better in the dark. For example, you have very light colored eyes. They are like cat eyes. Do you know cats can see very well in the dark? They don't need a light at all. Like you? Yes. Even? sunglasses are cat
Turn
yes.
off, I'll go.
Okay, guys. Second question. Okay, this is nice to see you all having an open discussion. Second question. What is a reflection? Hands up.
A mirror is a reflection.
Smile. What did I say about hands up? Yes, smile.
Truck. Truck. That's a
Reflection.
reflection.
Okay.
Bounces back light.
Very good. So, Miles says reflections anything that bounces back light. Excellent. I was going to use the same word. Yeah.
A lake, like when you put your bed like
Yeah.
above a lake.
So, any water surface? Is that what you're trying to say? Okay. I have an interesting question. One second. Guys, hold on. I have an interesting question based on Meera's answer. Okay. Now, if you have you seen a lake? You put your face in and see your reflections. Now, what if I throw a pebble in?
You see reflections.
But
It will be shaky, like
the reflection will be shaky. Okay, we will discuss that. Very good. You'll know that. Yes.
How come this happens? When I look on one side of the spoon, I'm upside down, and on the other side,
Okay. Does anyone
said it's more curves.
Very good. Oh my God, Miles, give me a high five.
Miss, he said, oh.
Awesome. Okay. Aditi.
Miss said,
Yeah. Okay. Two questions. I'm going to try and answer them. Okay. Now, Elo asked me why can you see yourself upside down in a mirror, in a spoon, which is also a reflection. Mine is right. One of the surfaces is curved inward, which is called a concave. It looks like a cave. The other surface is called convex. It's the opposite. Okay, so when you look at the convex, you're always upside down, and the other side you're always right side up. Yes. Metal, any shiny metal. Very good. Neha. Very good. Symmetry. That's a nice word. Aditi, your answer is symmetry. Okay. Now Aditi asked me why are some mirrors they make you look fat, some mirrors make you look thin.
Oh yeah, those ones.
You have funny mirrors. You remember the noodle mirror at the planetarium? Yeah, you look like you're really tall.
I look like a big fat
it was hilarious.
It was hilarious. Okay. So that is how the mirror is built, Aditi. Certain mirrors are built with the particles really close or far away, or the way the silver is put on the back. It changes how you see yourself. Okay.
We went to that mirror thing in the science museum. The girl was taller than me.
It looks like that. Yes.
He got my disease. He has a stomachache.
Sit up straight, please. If someone will take over. Thank you. No slouching in class. Okay. So everyone has an idea of what a reflection is. I'm waiting. Excuse
I
me.
just said bit.
I thought you got. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly learn what a reflection is, and we'll go to our activity. Okay. So a reflection. Jibril, don't be rude. Okay.
Miss, it was Joe.
Okay. A reflection is when you have a light source, for example, a candle. Okay.
I'm feeling cold.
How does light travel?
In
In straight lines. Does it dance? Does it do this instead? Okay. So the light is traveling in straight lines. And for example, it hits.
Chicken.
What does it hit?
A chicken.
It hits a mirror. Let's put a mirror. Okay.
How's that?
Okay. That's a slanting mirror. Okay. Yes. Now when the light hits a mirror, can it go through the mirror? Very good. It will come back. How will it come back? It won't go back in the same direction. It will bend. Okay?
That's
So
why
all
we
your
see
light is going to bend. This is why you see reflection. So light, when it hits an opaque object, the light always bounces back.
That's why when there are two mirrors next to each other, it's like
Yes.
millions of
Have you
mirrors.
been to the mirror maze? He's right. So light keeps on bouncing from one mirror to the next. You see yourself, but then it's gone to a lot of different mirrors. Like in the cafeteria.
One time I was stupid. I was stupid.
One second, Sita.
I was stupid in the brain. I went to a scary in some weird scary mirror.
The scary house.
No, scary mirror maze.
The mirror maze.
Then I thought there was a free spot. Free spot. So I wanted to run and reach before my family.
Yeah.
So then I just hit myself.
It happens. Okay?
Because you think you see the door, but it's actually
Exactly.
the
Yes,
mirror.
Neha. Aditi, tell me.
Usually it's scary mirror maze.
Aditi? Yeah, it's in Garda Mall. Yes, Neha?
There's one in Mathri
There's one in Mathri.
this is scary house, the so where they put all the glasses together.
Yes, you get very confused. It's very okay. Miles, I'd like you to pay attention, please. Thank you. Okay, now, and who is seeing this at the other end? Us. Yeah. So you have a human eye. Okay. What an eye? I can't draw an eye. Okay. So you have a candle.
It looks like a chapati that looks like a paint with some cheese in it. What did
You have
object.
Okay, so let's get
I obey. Yeah.
your eye. Let's light through. How do you see otherwise? Okay, we have a special class to learn about how the eye works. So we will do that. Yes, Aditi. You do? Awesome. Bring it to class. Okay?
Like awesome.
Scooby-Doo-Doo. Where are you? Thank you. Please show yourselves. Okay. So please repeat after me. Light source gives off light. When the light hits an opaque object, it bounces off and changes direction. And this changed light is seen by the eye. Okay, hello. Come on, please. Miles, I see you. Come on, please. Thank you, Miles. Okay. Is everyone okay with this? Is everyone okay with the basic idea?
Yes, miss.
Now we're going to have a little activity. Okay, two things to remember. For reflection, you always need a light, you need a surface, and you need someone on the other side to see it.
Opaque object.
And the thing I want you to remember is always light will bounce off in a different direction. Okay? Yes, Aishwarya. No, it's not. Your eye is translucent because it lets light through. Okay? Yes, Aditi. Okay? Sorry? How your hair looks. Okay? Interesting. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Wait, can I tell you something funny happened?
One second. Is it relevant, Elva?
Yeah.
To mirrors?
Shadows.
No shadows. Sorry. We will do another class. Okay? Yes? You can say shadow. Yes. Yes, Elva. Tell me. Okay. Guys,
I was in the bus this morning. Okay. And me and my brother were playing.
People, Elva is talking. Rishi, I would like everyone to listen to what Elva is saying. Thank you. Can you please turn your table this way? Thank you. Yes.
Me and my brother were playing and all. And then in the back of the bus, and the window was open. The shadow went out. The guy started screaming because he thinks we're fighting.
Yes. Good. You're not supposed to keep the window open first of all. Okay, that was your.
Why?
You're not supposed to leave the windows open because the AC is on.
Hey, not in the morning. It's not on.
Okay, it's not safe basically because little kids can put their heads out of windows. We don't want that happen. Okay, now I'm going to switch the lights off, everyone, and I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. I would like Miles to come up. Meera. Yeah, Meera. And Jibril for now. Everyone again. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I am going to draw a target on the wall. Is this okay?
Oh, and we have to try hitting it.
What you have to do is I am going to hold, okay, one of you is going to hold a mirror, okay, and the other person is going to hold the torch, and without shining it directly like this, you have to make the light hit the board, okay? So, yeah, use this mirror first.
And how
Mirror, Jibril will go first. Okay, guys? Not doing that. By not, Jibril will stand here.
Oh, miss, look, I never knew this would happen. Double line.
Okay, 1 second. Jibril, stand here. Okay? Hold the mirror up, please. Maya, have to shine the light there.
Hey,
It's going
Shine
up.
the light at.
That is going up. It's going behind you.
That's all you have to do. Understood? Okay? Miles, can you move back a little?
Pointing at the camera.
Jibril, move please. No pointing at the camera. I heard that.
This is like a boss.
Jibril, no. Don't. It will spoil the.
It's okay.
Jibril, that doesn't work.
Yes,
It's very light. Okay. Come stand here again. Jibril, let's see you hit the target. Let's see Miles hit the target. Let's see both of you work. Yes.
Done.
No. Through the mirror.
Like a mouse.
Okay. Is that enough? Can you see the light?
Yeah.
Okay, Aditi. They're actually using mirrors to reflect light. Okay. So the torch light is bouncing from the mirror to the board. Okay. Okay. Put that down. Jibril. Okay. Miles, give the torch. Miles, give the torch. Can I be the mirror? Listen up, please. You all are forbidden from doing that. If anyone else flashes light in someone's face,
Miss, I didn't.
whoever it was, you're leaving the class.
What is that?
Miles, not funny.
This is such a.
This is a very powerful torch. You all will not do that. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You're done. Sit down. Okay, bye. Shivali. Okay. Hello, are you okay? Okay, that's our girl. Shivali and Meera, you will hit the target. Yeah. You have to change it to hit the target, Meera. It has to hit there. Yeah. Is that enough? Can everyone? You're shining it at me. You have to change. You can change your angle. Come forward a little. And yeah. Can everyone see the clear spot? Okay. Good job. Thank you. Now, what did we do? We showed that light can bounce. Okay. So light is hitting a mirror and then it is getting transferred to the board. Okay. Now what we're going to do is a little more complicated. I'm going to call 3 people here. One of you gets a torch and the 2 other people get mirrors. So you have to use a torch and 2 mirrors to make it to the board. Okay? Aishwarya, Elva, Neha. You have the light. You have a mirror. This is coded like that. Hey, lights off. And you have a mirror. Okay, lights off. It's not working. Wait. You're blocking the camera. Very good. Okay. So, guys. You can go a little closer.
Okay.
Ready?
No, nothing's happening. You're come here. But then those guys. Hey, they're just reacting. Okay? Is it bouncing? That's why. Can you all see this? The torchlight is focus. Do it. Okay. Now, stay, do that again. Okay, so Elva is pointing the torch at Aishwarya's mirror. Aishwarya's light is bouncing to Neha's mirror and then Neha's light is hitting that. Okay? Is everyone okay with this? Yeah. Give me. Whoa. Give it. Okay, mirrors down please. Yes, Aditi? In the story? Kensuke's kingdom? Okay. Okay. He had a glass. Okay, glass. Okay. Light the fire. Okay.
We cannot see.
Oh, you mean you're using a signal? Okay, guys. Macaroni and cheese.
Everybody freeze.
Thank you. Now, Aditi has a good point. She says in Kensuke's kingdom, he has a piece of glass and he's using it to reflect the sunlight and use as a beacon to call people to make light. Yeah, that's an example idea for reflection. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is, can people quickly give me one each? Will give me an example of a reflection that you've seen sometime ago. Mirror. You already said lake. Bottle. What bottle?
Glass or plastic?
Miss, moon. Your moon. Moon. Oh, excellent. Elva said moon.
I said that.
No, I said
Very good. Moon is also a reflection.
This was sexist.
You see the moon because the light of the sun is reflecting from it. Okay? Stars no. Stars give their own light. Okay? Stars give their own light. Yes.
I want this board.
Yes.
The board.
Okay, the board is, you can just fix it sometimes.
Miss,
Jackets, okay. Yes, Aditi. Some metal, okay?
This.
Okay, the fan surface, very good. That's bone. You can use your reflection. It's black, you can see. Very good. Okay? Is everyone clear on what a reflection is, guys? Now,
when I do this, I'll just do that.
okay, have we identified the reflection?
Yes.
Can we explain how it happens?
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you also learned how to demonstrate a reflection? Did we?
Yes.
Have we done examples of reflection?
Yes.
Now, do you remember what we said a reflector is?
I know. Miss, I'm the boss. Because when I was in England, I used to wear the reflective jacket when I went inside.
Elva, what is a reflector? Definition.
A reflector is an object that reflects the light onto something.
Okay, can it be seen on its own?
No.
It needs light to be seen, right? So a reflector we learned is any object that can only be seen when there is light and the light reflects outward. For example, this is a reflector. The light from the bulb is falling on it and that's why we can see it, okay?
No.
But this is a reflector, so is this. How is this different? How are these two different?
Wait, but how is that a reflector? It gives its own light from back.
Okay, fine. Yeah, this is a reflector.
Yeah.
My fault, I'm sorry. Okay, now, this is a reflector and so is this. Does everyone agree?
And so
but
is
why is this different from this? Why is the mirror different from the bowl?
I know, because that you can see yourself, that you can't.
Okay, so he's very right.
No, you can see light.
You can see light, very good. You can't see yourself, no? And was right. Now, there is a term called reflective. Can you say it with me?
Reflective.
T-I-V, okay? We do it, okay? Now, reflective means a reflective object will let you see your face in it. This won't, okay? But this is still a reflector. Focus, focus.
Everybody focus.
Everyone up. I'm a banana. Come.
I'm a banana.
Don't block the camera, please. This one I like to see. Okay, guys. Aditi. Yeah, you can see it. Elwa, come here. Miles, don't shift. Okay. Aditi, come.
My tummy hurts.
Fine, you can sit.
I'm gonna say I'm a banana.
Okay, guys, shall we go?
Mom, you're
Miles, you're blocking the camera. Miles. Okay, guys. Let's face Mira. Okay. I'm a banana.
I'm not a banana.
Feel me to the right.
Feel me to the left.
Feel me to the left.
Feel me to the right.
Feel me to the front.
Feel me to the back.
Feel me to the back.
Feel me to the front.
Take a bite.
Don't take a bite.
Take another bite.
Yeah, don't take it out.
Can we do it faster?
Yeah.
I have another. Feel me to the right. Feel back. Feel me to the front. Take one. Feel me to the front. Feel me to the back. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Okay, back your face.
Can I use the scissors? This isn't a knot.
Miles, after class, please.
You just made a knot.
After class, please. Miles, no. Sit down. Thank you.
Please. Please.
Okay, guys.
Miss
back to your
Rachel's
places.
the best teacher.
Okay. You better not say anything rude. I don't know. Okay, guys. Back to the discussion.
What's bushy do?
Okay. Now we have established or we have learned that both these are reflectors. Everyone agree? But you can see your face in the mirror. You can't see your face in the bowl.
Exactly.
The reason being, the mirror is more reflective than the bowl.
How do you know?
So while the bowl, you can't see your face. If you could see your face in this, then there would be same reflectiveness. Okay. Now the bowl only reflects a little amount of light, and the mirror reflects almost all the light. That's why you can see your face in it. Can you see your face in it?
No, I can only see the wall.
Far away. Okay. And it's dirty. Okay. Yes. I have. We can find out. We can find out. Do you guys remember how glass is made though?
Yeah,
Sand.
sand. Super sand.
So they make sand and then they put a covering on the back to make it
Burn
real.
them, burn them.
Like in Minecraft. Like in Minecraft.
Okay. Now we're going to do another really fun activity. Okay.
What do you mean? Did I take part of that? This we get slapped.
No.
How many inches is
You're
your
not that
phone?
lucky. 4.7, I think.
Miss, my dad and my brother just got the same phone yesterday. He ordered a SIM card. Wait, what is it? Motor G.
Okay, guys. I'm going to call volunteers. Okay.
Me.
Me.
Please, Rishi goes.
Jibril. Rishi.
Miss, I beg you.
Come.
Miss, I beg you.
And
Me.
Mira. Come. Okay. Wait. Come here.
Yeah.
Get under the table.
What do I do?
Get under the table. All three of you get under the
Let
table.
me start with the come. Let them next.
Get under the table. We'll all, don't worry, all will get it done. Okay? Okay. Face the wall. Hey, turn and sit this side. You won't fit. Okay, come on.
You're closing your eyes.
We'll put one person at a time. Jibril, can you please get under the table?
You can't see your face properly.
Get under the table.
Holy shit.
And turn this side. Turn and face the wall. Mira, can you climb under the table? Okay.
What?
Sit.
And then shadow comes in.
Jibril, sit down. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Okay, are the both of you there? Now, your task is, you can, don't peep, okay? Please don't cheat. Now, there is an object on the table and you have to tell me what it is without coming out of the table.
How should
Or
I?
without
Wait, so
looking
you have
up.
to feel it?
You can't put your hand up also. You can't put your hand up. Okay, give me ideas on how you can see the object on top of it. Okay, no one says anything. You can't. Please, you can't. What else? What have you been listening?
Oh, smart. A mirror. Go like
Very
this.
good. Okay, so I'm going to give you a mirror.
Thank
What do you do
you.
then?
Selfie position. No, that way, that. Hey, you don't do it the other way.
What is it? Okay, Meera, can you see the object?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's mine.
What can you see?
It's the smell spray thingy.
Okay, you're blocking the camera.
It is. I said the spray.
Okay, give it to Meera, let her also see. Can you see what's on top of the table?
Yeah, it's the AC remote. Oh my god, this.
The big red thing. What
Okay,
is
I
it?
found the every.
Okay, thank you. Come on.
I can see
Come on, come
Mira's
on.
eyes.
Come on.
I can see Mira's eyes.
Okay, wait. Yeah. Everyone will do this, okay?
I
Now.
can see Mira's eyes.
Your brother got a pink phone.
Okay, Jibril, sit down, please. Everyone will do it, guys. Hold on. Okay. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is this.
Miss, can I go on that you said everyone?
8 minutes, Pika.
Miss Emma? Miss Marietta wants. Okay.
Miss, I'm going
Okay.
now.
What we're doing is, you have a table.
Miss, can I please go?
One second. Okay, Aditi, I'm just calling out the picture view, okay? We have a table, okay? And there are people sitting under it.
Are you sure?
Okay? And there's an object on top, whatever it is. Okay, say a spray can. Now, you cannot see it because it's on top.
Spray can is bigger than the people.
It doesn't matter, okay? Now, light travels only in straight lines, no?
Yes, boss.
Will the light from here reach me like this?
No, boss.
So what do I need to
Yes,
put
it
in
would
it?
actually.
You keep a mirror
What do I
there.
need to put in it? So if I put a mirror in the place of the right angle, okay? So the light from, there's a light source, say the candle or the bulb or whatever. The light is falling here. It is going in straight lines and hitting the mirror. From the mirror, we are seeing. Okay? So this is how you can use a mirror to manipulate light. Okay? For example, if I put L1 near the door and tell him that he has to see who's at the corner. Okay? Not right now, not right now. Not right now. We'll do it after class, okay? So, you can use mirrors to manipulate light. For example, you know what you can even do? If I put a mirror here, say for example, you're sitting under the table, there is another object here, and my object's on the other side of the second table. You can also use mirrors to see like that. Do you know what a periscope does? Have you seen a periscope? You guys must have made a periscope.
Yeah, mirror.
You look at a submarine underwater, you can see things that are over water. How? Because there's a mirror there, another mirror there, another mirror there. Okay, that's
I
how
got
you see
that one before they had one of the science fair.
You know what we're going to do next class? We're actually going to build a kaleidoscope in next class. We have a kaleidoscope is you see those fancy patterns.
After the weekend.
So we're going to make this. Miles, sit down. Miles, yeah, okay. You can take them. Okay, I think you can share them in pairs. I don't know how many we have. We'll have 5. Miles, Aishwarya already did come. I should come.
Not me.
Okay, fine, I know. Really.
Move that.
And Miles, move. Okay.
Yes, where she didn't come.
Okay, guys, there's an object on top of Miles. Get back inside, please.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Okay, guys, wait. Yeah. Okay, stop bumping yourself
I'm
around.
too tall, miss.
Miles?
My
Miles?
God. Miss, I'm too tall for this.
I can see it. I can see.
It's Airwick.
I can see Aditi and Neha.
There's an object in the middle of the table.
Hey, it's a pencil box.
No.
It's tissue paper.
No.
Hey, it's the box thing.
It's the
AC remote.
Miss, it's that.
It's your
a splinter in my back.
Elva, what is your object?
Shefali.
Shefali.
Miss, I'm Iron Man.
Okay, can you see, Elva, can you see the bowl? Can you see the bowl?
Miss, Iron Man.
He took it off. Never mind.
Hey, I see it. Wait. Oh, it's burning.
Hey, wait.
Hey, Miss, I see your writing on the board.
Okay, guys. Okay, next, who's up next? Couldn't get a turn. Aditi, you want to come? I'm going to look and then tell you what's on the mirror. Come. Okay. Miles, get up, please. Miles up, Elva. People and communities, move.
People and community.
Aishwarya and Aditi will come.
People and community.
Elva, your shoes are not gift instruction.
Why, Miss?
Did you ask permission?
No, Miss, it's because I was on you.
My head's down.
Back to your place. Put on your shoes. Okay, Aditi, are you comfortable sitting on the floor? It's on the floor, okay? Okay, you need to sit down.
Under table.
Sit down very carefully. Table behind you. Don't hit your head and you need to move back a little. Yeah, can you feel that? And move back. Keep on moving back until you reach back to the table. Yeah, very good. Okay, a little more. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, that's okay, Aditi. I'm giving you a mirror. Okay? Now, normally, you would lift it up till it's above your head and it's facing downwards at you. Okay? So if you were to look up, you would see it. And then I can see Elva who's shifting things around. And I can see a table. And Elva's mischievous. Okay, hold it, Aditi. Sweetie, hold it. Yeah, can you hear what he's doing?
Yeah.
Okay, now he's put his face on top of the table. So that's what you're seeing right now. The object is Elva's face. Okay? Come, sweetie.
Professional.
Come. Careful, don't hit your head. I'm holding the table. Yeah. Okay, Aishwarya, go on, please.
It's not strong.
Show me that shape. Jibril,
Aditi, you can go back to your seat.
thank you for being my for my cameraman. Yes. Come. Shafi, can you take her back, please?
Hey, Miles!
No, it's okay. Aishwarya, what's on top of the table?
A chicken.
It's a pyramid? Are you sure? Very good.
Wrong.
Guys, is it a pyramid?
It's a trapezium.
It's a pyramid. Okay, come. Very good. Who was that? Shefali is over here. And Nia.
No. Miss, we can see your bum. That's it.
Thank you. I can't see my bum is so big.
Miss, the corner of your thing went in my mouth. You were like, oh.
Okay, girls, are you under? Okay, I'm going to give you this. First, Shefali will go. That's okay, I'll wait it.
Oh, it's the shadow puppet.
Very nice. Does it look nice?
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool. Give it to Aishwarya.
Wait, look at me.
Can you see it? Oh, Neha. Miles.
Hey, Nia, can you call Miles? Nia! You call Miles!
Neha, can you see it? What can you see? In the black one? Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. Very good. Okay, come out, guys. Thank you.
Hello. I'm up here.
Okay, back to your chairs, please. No.
Let's get a spray. This is supposed to be.
Miles, no.
Can I do it?
Okay.
Just over there, please. Just over there.
Everyone back to your places. Everyone back. Go.
What's ready? Ga.
Hello, back to your place, please. Let's finish up. We don't have a lot of time. Okay, Miles. Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Elua.
What is so big?
Elua. Okay, guys, no. Okay? Another 5 minutes concentration and we'll finish it up. Okay? Now, the last thing we have to learn is how to draw something called. Okay, we have to learn something called a ray diagram. Okay, this is what we're finally going to learn. Now,
Miss, can I?
a ray diagram is how you show a ray of light. Okay? that is being reflected. That's all. So you have a reflected light. I'm going to show you how to draw it. Now, it's very simple. You have, for example, the sun. Is the light source. Okay. What do you want the object to be? Car?
A chicken. No, a chicken.
I can't draw this.
But Miss, Rishi pregnant.
Miss, a three. Draw, finish.
Rishi will stop making an infernal noise. If you are in pain, please go down to the nurse. Yes, Aditi. You should bring the jacket. Bring it tomorrow if you can. Okay. Focus, focus.
Everybody focus.
Focus, focus. Okay, now please pay attention, guys. Important, okay?
Important.
You have a sun,
You have
okay, which is giving down rays of light.
rays of light.
Is everyone okay with that?
Yeah.
And then you have
Chicken. Panda.
the rays of light are hitting the tree, and they are being reflected into, say, a person.
Oh, so that's why.
No, a chicken.
Okay, this is why you see a tree, or whatever. It can be an animal or whatever, but something that has an eye. It can even be a camera. Okay, so this is everyone okay with this? Is how reflection happens. Okay? Please don't be restless, guys. We're finishing class. Okay?
So sweet.
Everyone take a deep breath. Say
Who said I should say Lusa?
Who's that?
okay. Raise your hand. Okay. One and you all will shush. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Okay. So a ray diagram is very simple. Yes. As a man. Okay, guys.
How? What is that? A fire?
That's a tree, man.
Ow! It's so tiny. Oh, this is just
Okay. I just changed the sizes. Now, please pay attention. You
the
have
man is bigger than the tree.
Jibreel, okay. You have 2 terms to remember, okay? Now, the light that is coming from the light source is called your incident ray.
Incident ray. I called it.
Okay? Incident ray, or you can call it
Chicken.
Neha, you can call it incoming ray. Okay? That's all you will remember. Miles,
Incoming.
yes. So any light that's boys, you are very badly misbehaved and I'm very disappointed. I do not like behavior like this in class. Can you guys please settle down? And I'm not talking about for the video, I am getting distracted. Let me please finish the class and I'll let you all speak. Now, any ray that is coming from a light source, for example that, or from a torch, is called an incident ray. And it is the incident or the incoming ray only till it reaches the opaque object. Okay? Once it reaches the opaque object, it is being bent and the light direction is changing. And this ray is called a reflected ray. Okay? Is everyone okay with this? So what is the light from the light source called? The ray is called
Incoming.
incoming or incident ray. Okay? Simple way to remember is incoming because it's coming from the sun. And the bent ray is called a reflected ray. And this is what is seen by the eye.
When you see the sunset, you have to wait 8 minutes.
No, the sunset is happening 8 minutes after it actually sets because it takes that much time to come. Yes, Aditi. You okay? Wow. Okay. Now,
What?
last thing, guys.
What?
Last thing, I want you all to. Okay, any questions so far?
I know.
Yes. Question, not answer.
Yeah.
Any questions so far?
I have.
Yes.
What did she should just say about
She was
this?
talking about how long it takes for solar train to be made, Aditi. To receive light from the sun. We were talking about 8
No,
minutes that day.
8 minutes. You
Yes,
said 10.
Neha. Jibreel, Miles, and Rishi will not be having a discussion there. Yes, Neha. Sundial. It's a sundial. Very good. Okay. Now, I'm going to call one of you, and you're going to tell me how to draw this.
Miss, please, me.
No, I would like Miles to come.
What would we have?
Miles will come and then Neha will come.
We have to go on
Teacher's pets. You are Mrs. Pet.
Good.
That's why she doesn't cry because. Why do we have to do that?
So this is your light source. This is your mirror, and this is you draw me
How many lines?
three in each direction.
Wrong.
Arrow. Okay. He tries to draw. He's drawing curvy mistake. Where's the arrow mark?
Here, simple.
Very good. Next.
Chicken panda.
Okay.
I made that up.
One more line.
Chicken sausages.
Chicken sausages.
I don't like this.
Wag one. Wag one blood.
Excellent. Okay. And he's seeing it.
Make him have an apple off you.
Why, Gabi, please?
Okay. Thank you. Miles, can I have the marker?
Alexandra Pato.
You don't even know how he looks. You're saying all the people that have afros are Alexander Pato.
I can't read that. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you, Neha, which is the important thing? Which one? This one or this? But where's your light source, Neha? This is the light source, no? So the incoming should be coming from the light source. Aishwarya? These? Okay. So this is your incident ray or incoming ray. And which is the reflected ray? Okay. Is everyone okay with this, guys?
Yes, no.
Now, we will draw some more ray diagrams next class.
Yes, I'm not okay with it.
What's your problem?
Everything.
Okay. Ask me questions, I'll answer them.
Why? Just
The
right.
class is finished.
Miss,
2 more minutes. Sit down.
this is one question. I don't. How do people get blind basically?
It can be a lot of things. It can be accidents. Okay. Doesn't reach the brain. Very good. So
I
you have
can't understand anything.
there's inside your eye. You know what nerves are, no?
Yeah.
Okay. They connect your brain.
But it's so weird. I can see in the dark.
You can see the darkness.
I can see in the dark.
With the sunlight, my eyes change color.
Everyone in the entire world can see in the dark.
No, they can't.
Yes,
I know a lot of people are completely blind in the dark. They can't see anything. Like your eyes take some time to adjust, but you'll be able to see, right? But there are a lot of people who can't make out
No,
anything.
it's
in the dark.
because it's because there's some like playing dark rooms like hide and seek in the dark.
That's what we do.
It's very dark, but you can see. I tell you why. Because there's like the door under the light.
Very good. There's a little bit of light. Yes.
No, but there's also you can see. A friend who got me the dark.
Rishi?
Her sister or something. She had no
Okay. Okay. We're finishing class. Let me quickly ask you questions. Sit down. We're done. Okay.
So I'll stop.
Okay. So how do you you know what an example of a reflection is? I'm not going to bore you with that.
No.
What kind of object do you need to make a reflection?
A
Reflector.
Okay.
light source.
A light source. Very
Yeah,
good.
light source.
A light source. Okay. And what do you use reflections for? Give me one example that we did today.
Seeing stuff.
Seeing stuff.
See what's behind you.
Seeing what's behind you. Excellent.
See
Seeing
what's
what's in
in
the
front of
mirror.
you.
Yeah, you
See
will
what's
right.
beside you.
Seeing what's beside you.
See what's above.
Seeing what's above you.
See what's across.
Seeing what's in front. Seeing what's behind. Aditi.
See yourself.
Seeing yourself. Very good. Okay. And people also use it for entertainment.
Seeing your dog.
Seeing your dog.
Seeing your mom.
Thank you.
Seeing your teacher.
Seeing anything. Got the point.
Seeing your twin.
Irish blue.
Yeah, seeing your twin. Okay. So next class we're going to be building kaleidoscopes and we